Point A is located at -1, -5. The midpoint of line segment AB is point C with coordinates of 2, 3. What are the coordinates of point B? So we know that our midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So to find the x-coordinate of a midpoint, you take the x-coordinates of your two endpoints, add them together, and divide by 2. So essentially you're finding the average of them. Then to find the y-coordinate of your midpoint, you take the y-coordinates of your two endpoints, add them together, and divide by 2. Here, this is a little bit different because we know the coordinates of one endpoint and the midpoint. So we're trying to find the coordinates of point B. So if you look at this drawing here, we have line segment AB, and we know that the midpoint is point C. So we know the coordinates of one endpoint and of the midpoint. So if we want to find the x value of the midpoint, we already know that the x value of the midpoint is 2 because point C is the midpoint. So we're going to say that 2 is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So we would have 2 equals -1 because we know that -1 is the x-coordinate of an endpoint plus x2 divided by 2. And now we need to solve this for x2 to find the x value of point B. So if we wanted to solve this, first we need to undo dividing by 2. So to undo dividing by 2, we're going to multiply both sides by 2. That gives us 4 is equal to -1 plus x2. Now we're trying to solve for x2, so to undo subtracting 1 from both sides, we add 1 to both sides, and we get that the x-coordinate of point B is 5. So now we're halfway done with this problem. Now if we want to find the y value of the midpoint, we're going to do a similar process. So we know that the y-coordinate of the midpoint is 3. So we're going to say 3 is equal to -5 because that's our y value of point A plus y2 divided by 2. Now you're going to solve this using the exact same process we did over here to get x2. So you're going to do this same process to get y2 and then type your answer in right now.